Alright, so today should be kind of a fun video because I want to get around to lowering this truck relatively soon, but I want to figure out a wheel tire situation for it first. I'm leaning towards keeping these wheels on it, but it definitely needs new tires, especially in the back because those ones are bald and dry rotted as fuck. That's pretty bad there. But obviously before I order a lowering kit, I need to know how tall the tires are that we're going to be putting on it, and we might have that figured out. We have had these drag radials up in the loft for damn near 2 years now. They came off my dad's El Camino that he sold a few years ago, and they've just been sitting there. We've been talking about putting them on different things, and since he's starting to fall in love with the truck, it was actually his idea to put those on there. And even though they are drastically overkill for that thing, considering it makes probably right around 250 horsepower in that neighborhood, they're still gonna look sweet. So let's pull the truck in the garage, get it up on the lift, pull the wheels off. These wheels aren't gonna fit because they take that really long stud, so we're probably just gonna put the tires on the stock wheels that are on the truck. They're about the same size. They're both in the neighborhood of 8.5 wide. I think these ones might be 9, but they'll definitely fit on the wheels that are on the truck now. So yeah, let's start pulling the truck in the garage. Alright, there you can see just the drastic size difference between the stock wheel and the drag radial. The stock wheel is a 235/75/15 and these are 295/65/15s. And I believe they're about 30 inches high, 12 wide maybe. Alright, while he's over there switching the tires over, I'm going to try and be productive and fix the rear end because it bugs the fuck out of me that they painted it white. I just dusted the drums black, and we've got plenty left to do the rear end. God, those look sweet on there. Alright, rear end's all dusted black. It's very far from perfect, but that's not the point. I just don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb. And that one, as soon as it's aired up, I'll throw it back on. And I don't know where I'm going with this. Alright, we just got the passenger side bolted on and holy shit does it look cool already. That thing, God, man, that looks awesome. How far? Pokes out just a little bit, but that's okay. But yeah, that looks fucking sweet. So we're gonna finish up with the other one, get that thrown on, and then we'll drop the truck down and see how it looks then, once it's actually got the full weight on the chassis. So excited. God, that looks sweet. All right, lower him down and see how it looks.
Yeah, back end definitely needs to drop.
Oh yeah, the whole thing does. But yeah, especially the back.
Yeah, you could just drop the back.
No, you could fit your whole head in that wheel gap up front.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, I think I probably could. Well, I've got to try. I literally can fit my head in this wheel gap. Yeah, now it definitely looks way faster than it is. God damn, that thing looks tough as shit now. But now that it's all settled, we can take some measurements and see how far we can go. Alright, got the tape measure. Let's figure out what drop we're gonna go with. The main thing here is the back, because I think once you go past 4, you have to do the C notch. And if we went with the 4.6, that's not much travel for the tire that's outside the fender. So I think we're probably gonna go with a 4 back here, which is just shackles and hangers. And then up here, and then up here to get about the same distance. Yeah, so I think we're looking at a 3/4 drop, which is just springs up front, lowering springs up front, and then shackles and hangers back here. And if we do that, that'll get even wheel gap on the front and back. It'll have a little bit of rake just because the back tires are huge. But at least now we know what we can do and how far we can go. And now I know what parts to order. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And we'll see you next time.